Hello and Assalamu alaikum everyone. In the name of Allah, the most beneficent and the most merciful. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all, my YouTube community and my sweet friends? I hope my all the lovely viewers are good and healthy. So Allah bless you all and always be happy, friends. First of all, thank you so much viewers for watching my all the previous videos and supporting me. I am very happy to see this and I am very thankful to you for your this favor. Secondly, you can see friends, in this video we are providing you most amazing and most trending design of handmade crochet bed sheets ideas. It's very beautiful bed covers and trending designs. So please don't skip the video, watch the video start to end because all of these designs this is very helpful especially for crochet lovers. So we were share this video with your family and lovely friends who want these type of most attractive and trending design of handmade crochet bed sets and bed covers. We were, guys, different people have different choices and they love different type of colors and themes. In this video you will see different colors, different decent and unique designs. So we will pick your favorite one and must make this beautiful design for yourself for more beautiful and outclass look. Thank you friends for watching this video. For those people who searching beautiful and outclass collection, it's very amazing and very trending collection for them. They will get new design, new ideas related to your crochet articles and crochet items. So we were the main question in your mind and in all the beginners mind, what is the crochet? So I am share with you the most interesting things of related to crochet. Crochet is a wonderful hobby. It's a great way to create something with your own hands, relax and express your creativity. Here are some fun facts about crochet. Crochet is a French word about meaning hook. The first known evidence of crochet dates back to 1824 in South America. Crochet was originally used to make clothing, accessories, and home decor items. The most common crochet hook material are aluminium, steel, and wood. Crochet has many health benefits, including reducing stress, improving fine motor skills, and promoting relaxation. The world's best and largest crochet hook was over 6 feet tall and 2 inches wide. Crochet is a popular hobby worldwide and millions of people are interested in crochet. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced crocheter, there's always something new to learn and create. So we were happy crocheting and now more thing of crochet is it's a very popular needlework technique that involving using a hook and yarn to create fabric. It's a versatile craft that can be used to make a wide range of items such as clothing, accessories, home decor, and other. Crochet has many benefits, including relaxation, stress relief, creative expression, and self expression. Portability with the easy to take with you on the go. Customization, choose your own yarn, colors, favorite, and patterns. Cost effective, make your own item instead of buying them. And some common crochet stitches including crochet stitch, crochet single crochet, half double crochet, and tribal crochet. If you are interested in learning how to crochet, so there is the best platform for you, viewer, if you are interested. It's a very wonderful hobby that combines creativity, relaxation, and handiness. Crochet is a popular needlework you can see. And if you are interested in learning how to crochet, I can provide you some basic instructions and resources to get you started. If you are already an experienced crocheter, I would be happy to help you with patterns, tips, and inspiration for your next project. What would you like to know about crochet? So share your experience and share your things, what things in your mind. So share with us. I can help you as soon as possible. I can reply you. Please be comment me and tell me about crochet. Any question in your mind. So I hope you all are understand with crochet, and there are beautiful articles, especially for those people who loves crochet and who want crochet articles. This one is a very cool and trending color combination, especially for summer. Some colors are dark and some people like dark colors and some like light colors. So pick your favorite one. All the colors are available in this video, and if you want more article of crochet, dresses, accessories, and home decor articles, so watch my all the previous videos, viewers, because on this channel I am providing you um, before 1 year I provide you the beautiful articles of crochet, and I provide you anytime beautiful articles. So pick your favorite one and take a screenshot for reminder. I hope you love this beautiful collection and ideas. Some are simple and some are fancy. So it's totally your choice. Which one is your favorite? Viewers, these are amazing collection and outstanding ideas. So thank you so much for watching this video and watch my all the previous videos I see, and I am very happy to see this. My all the YouTube community are very sportive and very kind. Please be support me like this forever. I am very thankful to you. So if you all love this article and if you want more design and more ideas, like my video, subscribe my channel, and please don't forget to press the bell icon for new and latest update. Be connected with me, friends. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.